everyone, welcome to our AsiArk channel. Today I'm excited to introduce this Avalon Nano3S. This is the upgrade version of the Nano3, and in this video I will show its appearance, performance, and a real-time mining demonstration. Let's take a look. Follow our channel, like, share, and save to stay updated with more information. AsiArk has 6 terahash per second, great for solo mining. Go to this website to calculate your chance of winning. Pick Bitcoin, set the unit of terahash, and enter 6. With 890 terahash network hash rate, your chance of mining 1 Bitcoin in a year is about 1 in 2,861. Now, Bitcoin is around $93,000, offering a return multiple of the 31,000%. Now switch to Bitcoin Cash. With just 2.93 terahash network hash, 6 terahash per second gives you a 1 in 9 chance per year. At $360 per Bitcoin Cash, you can get a return multiple of 120%. Let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. First, we have a SIM pin and a Wi-Fi Bluetooth adapter. You can insert the pin into the reset hole. This allows you to reset the miner setting. This comes in handy if the miner lost connection or when you need to switch the different Wi-Fi network. Next, let's check out the user menu. It is offered in several languages. To be honest, after watching our video, you probably won't miss it. There's also a separate product menu for the power adapter. Now for the start of the show, the miner itself. As you can see, it is super compact, making it perfect for home mining or even as the desktop display piece. Here's the power adapter. This one features a sleek frozen transparent design. Compared to the Nano3 adapter, this one looks more stylish and high-tech, offering a much better visual experience. It supports a wide voltage range from 110 volts to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz alternating current, and up to 1.8 amp of current. It delivers powerful output, supports PD fast changing critical, and comes with multiple output profiles. And finally, we have an official F2 pool card included. There's a QR code on it, just scan it to automatically connect to the pool. Super convenient. Let's take a closer look at the machine. Compared to the Nano3, the new screen design is clear upgrade. It has gone from the square to the larger round display with a better UI optimization, making it easier to monitor the miner status. At the front, there's a removable dusty filter over the air intake. When it gets dusty, just take it off and clean it in the maintain good cooling performance. Next to it, we have got the power port, the Wi-Fi receiver, and the reset pinhole. Use a SIM pin here to remove this device. The exhaust vents feature a magnetic spring, super easy to detect. And on the back, you will find key information like hash rate, power consumption, and operating temperature. We will text all of that shortly. Now let me show you how to connect your phone to the miner. First, power on the device, plug it in and connect it to Wi-Fi while it boots up. Open the Avalon family app. You can find it on the Google Play Store or the App Store, or simply scan the QR code in the product menu. Next, tap the App Device button. Tap Search to scan for available device. Here it is. Tap to connect. Next, you will need to enter your Wi-Fi credential. Make sure your phone and the miners are on the same network. Type in your home Wi-Fi name and password. Tap Say. Once connected, you can fully control the machine with the app. Okay, now the device has been added successfully. On your first login, you will be prompted to change the password. The default is admin. Whether you change it or not, it's up to you. Alright, let me show you one of the coolest features, the lighting modes. They are not just for looks, they let you personalize your mining setup to match your style. There are 4 lighting modes. Here is the stay mode. The lights stay on continuously, clean, stable, and eye-catching. Next is the flash mode. The flashing is the super eye-catching, guaranteed to grab the attention. Then we have breathing mode. The light gently fades in and out like the machine is breathing. And finally, loop mode. You can fully customize the brightness, hue, and structuration of the lights to match your taste. Of course, there are other functions available as well. You will find options like password management. We have already gone over that earlier. Full configuration, which I will walk you through in more detail shortly. Here is the filter clear. The warranty period is 1 year. Sync time and support. Now let me show you how to connect to the mining pool. You can scan the F2 pool card that comes with the machine. Of course, you can do it through the mobile app or via the web interface. Personally, I recommend configuring it directly on your phone as it's much easier. In my case, I enter the mining pool address as this one. I use the same address for the other 2 backup pool slots, but if you have different backup, feel free to enter those instead. For the worker field, I put AsiArk 001, and for the password, I just put 12345, but you can set whatever you like. Reboot the device. Connection successful. Alright, you can see that the machine is not actively mining. It has been running for 10 minutes with a hash rate of 6.51 hash rate per second and a power consumption of 131 watts, which matches the official data. Now let's take a look at how it performs under different operating modes by taxing hash rate, power consumption. Tax the high mode first. In this mode, the average hash rate is around 6.51 hash rate per second. And the power usage is about 146.4 watts, a 50 watt discrepancy. Noisy levels are impressively low compared to this, even an air conditioner feel noisy. The temperature reached 67 degrees Celsius, which matches the official data. It is important to note that this machine works surprisingly well as the space heater while it's run. If you plant it on your desk, you can mine while keeping your hands warm. Really cool. Next, tax medium mode. Here the average hash rate is around 5.1 hash rate per second, with power usage at 106.4 watts, a 10 watt discrepancy. The temperature reads 58 degrees Celsius. The heat is a bit less, but get close you can still feel a bit of warmth. Lastly, low mode. This is the most energy efficient setting. The average hash rate is around 3.53 hash rate per second. With a power draw of 69.6 watt, a 7 watt discrepancy. The temperature reads 53 degrees Celsius. It is not too hot and it keeps running smoothly around the clock. And I made a data summary here to compare all three modes. You can choose the one that best fits your need. The miner isn't just compact and well-designed, it is also perfect for running at home. If you are looking for a miner which is powerful, useful, and stylish, I think it's definitely worth checking out. And maybe you will be a lucky one to hit the jackpot. Okay, thank you for watching our video today, and we will keep bringing more miner review for you. And see you next time. Bye. Welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel. Visit our official website AsiArk.com and join our Telegram group to get the latest updates, inclusive benefits, and insider intel before anyone else.